Hey everyone, it's Deanna, and today I'm going to reveal what was in our April 2018 Monogram Club box. So let's get started. When you open your box, you'll have a list of all the items that were included in this box. And as you can see, this month's box was valued at $109.46. Alright, let's get revealing. I'm excited to show you what's in this box. The first thing, let me start with the decals. The first thing in the box is the 3-inch single letter decal. It's valued at $10. This one reminds me of the sun. It's a yellow, bright yellow color with your single letter decal. And this can be applied to any flat surface. And I love the font in this one. And then also, I think these are really neat. You get a set of 4 of these, so there's 4 total of these. For your bathroom, you've got one that says toothbrush, cotton balls, you've got one for bath salts and one for soaps. So for those of you that love the new trend this time around, it's for, this is an example of what you can do with those decals. I think this looks so neat and so polished. This will really make your bathroom look great for your cotton balls and toothbrush. So you can use any container and just dress it up with the monogram. Is that not neat? So we got that. And these decals are valued at $20. Okay. Also, you guys, you get these really cute little socks in your box. It's got the single letter vinyl initial. They're yo socks. I don't know if you've ever tried a pair of yo socks. These are actually the knee-high yo socks. And since this month's box was kind of themed around relaxation and spa, I thought this would be perfect for the box. You can lotion up your legs, lotion up your toes. It's summertime coming, so get those legs and feet looking good. Another thing too, there's still cold mornings, so you can just put your socks on. My feet are always cold, so just warm them up with these nice socks. You'll love them. They're awesome. Also, they're antimicrobial, so that's another special thing about them. I hope you guys enjoy those. And then next, you get this really neat soap. It's not just any soap. Not only does it smell good, the scent is sweet pea, but also you get a hidden treasure inside. There's a piece of jewelry in every bar of soap. So it's really, really nice. And this is valued at $12.99. And I didn't tell you, but the socks are actually valued at $14.99. So there are those, and there's the bar of soap. Make it a spa day. And then also, along with that spa day, you get a bath bomb. In this cute little bag, it's got your initial on it, so keep it in. And this scent is peaches and cream. So drop this fizzy in your bath. Let it fizz. Also hidden in, not everyone, but some of you guys, there's a special jewel hidden in these. On the bar of soap, there's one in every bar of soap. So you'll have a special jewel in every soap bar. But in the bath bomb, only a few will have it. We don't know who's got the special jewelry hidden inside. So we're looking forward to seeing your videos on that. And ladies, the bath bomb is valued at $6.99. You're going to love this one. All right. And then, last but not least, you get the reed scents. And this is like a diffuser. Let me open it so I can show you. There's a variety of scents. In this one, the scent is Ocean. These are so neat. So you got the little reeds that you get inside. And then also, this is the diffuser part. So it has your special monogram on it. And it also lights up. So there's different colors. It changes colors. This one smells so good. Reminds me of the ocean. And it's valued at $19.99. And these are the little reeds that go in it. So you got your little reed diffuser. So it's time, ladies, to have a spa night. Put your lotion on and your socks on, relax, take your hot bath with your bath bomb. wash up with your sweet pea soap and enjoy. Some of you are mothers. Mother's Day's coming up. Some of you work hard. Some of you are motherly. Enjoy, take care of yourself. And you guys, for the t-shirt of the month, let me reveal, it's valued at $24.99. So for those of you that got the t-shirt of the month, on the front side pocket you got your initials and the white glitter. And the back, you got the colorful dolphins, and it says Sandy Soul. For the planned beach trips you have coming up, this is perfect for that. And it's got the shell on the top, and it says Free Spirit. It's a beautiful shirt. So, for those of you that love what you've seen today, and you'd like to subscribe, just go to Bangles and Bags / the Monogram Club. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your business, and I can't wait to reveal next month's box. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you.